Welcome back to another Get Ready With Me. Today we're going to be using some more Believe Beauty, the Maybelline powder foundation. We're going to be testing that out, and let me guys just tell you, oh my goodness, yes, love it. And the Physicians Formula butter stuff that I hauled the other day as well. And I got some Believe Beauty brushes to try out as well. So first, we always prime our eyelids. I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using the LaColors Brow Lift Brow Pencil. Actually, I already used it, but that's what I used in my brows. And we're going to be doing the Believe Beauty Plush Purples palette, taking the beautiful lavender shade there in the bottom corner, and I'm using their Believe Beauty blending brush. Now I'm really going to just pick up a lot of that shade, knock off any excess powder, and really buff that in the crease. So I'm just going to be buffing, and this is typical for the videos anyways. This is my transition shade for today. Yes, so we're going to wipe that brush off really well on our towel here, and then I'm going to be taking the prettiest purple in the palette, as I always refer to it as first row third eyeshadow. I'm going to buff that in the outer corner and into the crease a bit, and I'm going to use circular motions. Look at the brush placement there. It is in the crease of my eye where the orbital bone is, and I wanted to show you that and note that is how you can find your crease area. Use that as a guideline, your orbital bone. I always say that in my videos, and it's true. If you use that as a guide, you know where your crease is, and your shade won't go up too high. So this is like an everyday kind of look for me. And yeah, so while we're doing eyeshadow stuff and we're just buffing that in our outer corner there using circular motions and going back and blending a bit, I finished Stranger Things 3, you guys. Yes, I'm not going to give any spoilers, but honestly, my favorite season so far. Like, it has made my husband and I definitely go back and rewatch. So we're rewatching season 1 now, and yes, the show is awesome. It's amazingly done to be a Netflix show, and I just love Dustin. But yeah, he's so adorable. And anyways, we used the Color Workshop to a brow highlighter to highlight, and that was the Believe Beauty shader brush. Now next up, we're going to use this Believe Beauty Glimmer pot, and it's a gel eyeshadow to a powder, and honestly, it's in pink quartz. It's very beautiful. You can build this up or whatever, but honestly, I am kind of disappointed in this. As pretty as it is applied to the lid, 2 hours later, and you'll see this in the review video, I'll show pictures, it creased very badly. Okay, I just want to give you a heads up. I won't be wasting any more money on the gel or the Glimmer pots from Believe Beauty. I'm sorry. And that is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, and then here is the Maybelline powder foundation. Yes, and this is supposed to be 16-hour wear. Anyways, I wore it for like 9 hours, and honestly, I am so impressed with this product. I'm using the pad that it came with because I watched some videos, and that seems to be a good method of applying it, and it covers pretty well. You can build this, and I don't think the powder looked cakey or anything. It felt very lightweight. Obviously it's a powder, but I love this so much that I'm going to go back and get a couple more of these just to put back, because I am worried that they will stop carrying it. Because look at the difference there, just for a powder. I'm so impressed with how this applied, how long it lasted. I did not look cakey or powdery, any of those things. And I have blemishes it covered, freckles, under eye area. I didn't even use any other additional concealer because I wanted to test it out on its own, and I am just so unbelievably impressed. It even covered the redness, and I'm blown away at this powder. It was $9. Like, can you believe that? It's awesome. And here's a close-up of that. I love how it looks. There's that zit. I mean, you can see a little bit peeking through, but honestly, the under eyes, the redness on my cheeks, the freckles on my forehead, yes, they're covered for the most part, and it feels nice. And that was just one layer. And next we're going to go in with these Physicians Formula butter products, and First time trying this bronzer, I am blown away. Like, it blends out so nicely. The product is so creamy and they smell amazing. They just smell amazing. So I'm just going to be buffing that on there. So other things that I have done lately, I completed Resident Evil Revelations because it was on Game Pass, and I like horror genre games, shooters, puzzles, story kind of games. And yeah, so I definitely liked that. Here's beautiful peachy blush there, but I cannot stop smelling these products. And yeah, some other game recommendations, like if you like the Resident Evil series, like you will probably like Revelations. I'll be honest, I skipped all the cutscenes because I just really like fighting like the monsters and stuff, and so I don't really know much about the story. Obviously there was an outbreak and all this stuff, and mutated things happen, so there was lots of cool monsters in that. It definitely reminds me of Silent Hill. That's like my all-time game franchise ever. Yes. And I'm still sad about Silent Hills not coming out with Norman Reedus. And that aside, okay, so other games on Game Pass that I definitely recommend if you like story games is What Remains of Edith Finch. Amazing storytelling in my opinion. It looks good, it controls good in my opinion, and I just was a really big fan of that as well. Now next up I want to talk about this metallic eyeliners from the Believe Beauty. You already know I really like the Midnight in Paris. This is the Siren in Town, and it's green, and I just kind of building that up on the lid. These are saturated pens and I really love them, and anytime I pair like pinks, purples, and greens, I automatically think of flowers. But I do that kind of a lot in regular everyday kind of makeup looks. We will do like purple and pink and green together, and we're just going to tightline. I do recommend those metallic eyeliners, you guys. They're really good actually. And next up we're going to be taking another Believe Beauty eyeliner, and this is Olivia. Yeah, and it's like an olivey golden green eyeliner. It has some shimmer to it, but these are long lasting eyeliners, and they did last a very long time in my waterline, and I even smudged it in my lower lashes and it looked good. And we're taking the eye transformer from e.l.f. and I'm doing the duo chrome green in there in the pop of color in my inner corner. But yes, I really enjoyed What Remains of Edith Finch. This is not on Game Pass, but Gone Home, that was a good one. And I love the Life is Strange games. I definitely recommend them, and they're on Game Pass. And let's see, any other horror themed games on there? The Gardens Between is a good puzzle game. Thomas Was Alone is a really good puzzle game on Game Pass. And Strange Brigade, if you're into like zombie horde kind of modes, like maybe Call of Duty Nazi Zombies, you might like Strange Brigade. And if they ever put it back on there, Zat, the Zombie Army Trilogy, that was really good if you like Nazi zombies. And yeah, that's enough about Game Pass. We use the Believe Beauty Fiber Mascara. Love that mascara now. I use their Satin Crush Soft Rose Lipstick, and I use the Hard Candy Glow Setting Spray, and I'm fanning myself off. And there is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this chatty get ready with me. Very easy, quick kind of look using new Believe Beauty and Maybelline, and some Physicians formula that was new to me. And I thank you guys always for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below. Always check the description box for additional links, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you guys have not already. Thank you guys always for watching.